In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn on Enhanced Safe Browsing in Google. This feature helps keep you safe when you're signed in and enhances your security in Google Chrome and Gmail. By enabling Enhanced Safe Browsing for your account, it checks for risky URLs and downloads to help protect your account and data. To get started, open up any web browser you like and then go to google.com. After that, sign in to your Google account. And then tap on your profile picture icon at the top right. And then tap on the Manage Your Google Account button. What you want to do next is swipe left on these options, at the top, and tap Security. And then scroll down until you see an option called Enhanced Safe Browsing for your account. Once you've found it, tap where it says Manage Enhanced Safe Browsing. To turn on Enhanced Safe Browsing in Google, simply toggle the switch. And then tap on the Turn On button. Once Enhanced Safe Browsing is turned on, Google will actively scan websites and downloads for potential risks, providing you with a safer online experience. Remember to keep this feature enabled to stay protected against malicious threats while using Chrome and Gmail. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.